She doesn't know you're coming.
Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so good. Oh my word, it is so bright. Let's take a minute and appreciate this view. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, April 20th. It's 7:20 in the morning. My aunt and I are gonna go to the gym right now. Right now we're in Las Vegas, by the way. And then we're gonna go to the airport, and then at 11 we're departing to go to Sacramento. And then we're gonna drive down to my Nana's house. Now my grandma does not know that I'm coming today, so it's gonna be a surprise. We have the power. Okay, we are finally here at Nana's house.
Hello. What a lovely surprise. How are you, my dear? Thank you. How are you? Are you a good flyer?
No, Brandon's still at work.
Did you see Brandon?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, good. And he fries up onions and bell peppers.
Good morning. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday. I'm putting on this necklace from Brandy Melville. Look at how cute. It's like a little lock necklace. My hair's looking a little rough right now. Like really rough. We need to fix that. I might just wear it down, honestly. And I think I'll wear a jacket on top of this. This is what we're currently going with, and we're just gonna do it because you know what? Comfy is better, and it's freezing as frick here. Hi!
Oh, he's so cute.
Good morning and happy Saturday. I'm doing a Chloe Ting workout right now. Literally sweating so much. Is it too cold for this? Definitely. But I am really hot from working out, so I just put on this outfit. No joke, it's like 60 degrees. But top from Urban, jeans from PacSun, and then necklace from Brandy. Today's gonna be a very fun day, and let me tell you why. It's my Nana's birthday, and we're celebrating it tonight. So we're gonna do like a big celebration, and her best friend and her husband are gonna come over, and my aunt is also gonna come down because she lives in California as well. In about an hour and a half, I'm gonna go grab coffee downtown with 2 subscribers. One of the girls DM'd me, and so she's like so nice, and she and her friend wanted to grab coffee with me, and I was like, of course, let's do it. So we're gonna go to this place called Equator and get some breakfast, coffee, even though I already ate, but I might get some.
Woman who owned the campground had to not allow people to buy postal that cake.
That's right.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, wow.
One.
Will they keep going?
Wow. Beautiful. That's impressive. Gosh.
That's a great idea.
It is. So you can still make your wish now, Nana. Just pretend you're blowing out. This is in lieu of...
Oh my gosh.
Brandon's done a great job here.
Wow.
Oh,
normal Polaroids.
How cute.
Yeah.
How cute. They've been married for a long 99.
He was 99.
73 years.
Back home, and I figured I would just finish off the rest of this video by vlogging what I'm doing today, Sunday. Also, I buy retainers in, so if I literally sound terrible, I'm very sorry. It's these things. Literally, it gives me a lisp, and I'm super self-conscious about it, but you know what? It's okay, because Lisps are wonderful things that should not be looked down upon. What I did when I got home was I came home to a spotless room. Literally, okay, well, I kind of trashed it now because I came home. But, like, my bed was made. My closet, you guys, it has never looked this clean before. Like, I'm sorry. What? So thanks, Mom, if you're watching this video, for cleaning my room. And yeah, I also got a bunch of packages when I came home, and so it was really fun to open all those because I love coming home from trip and then unboxing a bunch of stuff. So anyways, I came home, unpacked everything, took a shower because I don't know if it's just me, but I literally hate the way my hair feels, literally like everything, like my skin, all that, whenever I'm at the airport. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but airplanes make my hair so gross and like really oily and all that. And so I was like, you know what, I need to clean myself off. So I did that. And then Maddie and I hung out because I had to see Maddie. Oh, frick. Speaking of which, I have to go get something from my car. I'll take you with me in a second. But we hung out. She gave me my birthday gift because she ordered this gift and it shipped from China, I believe. But it took so long because my birthday was in March and now it's almost May. And it's like completely not what she ordered. It's the funniest thing ever. So I'll show you guys. And then I also got her a shirt whenever I was in California. It's like of the Golden Gate Bridge. And I wanted to give that to her because she's my best friend, you know? I always think of her when I travel. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so then we went to this park today. And this guy was following us. There's been like this news thing sent out on Facebook and stuff about this park that is near my town that we literally go to all the time. Like my guy friends and I, we always go like late at night. Well, apparently there's been like this person dressing up in like a cowboy outfit, pretending to be on the phone and like super duper drunk and like talking to little girls and stuff. And it's like so scary. Like he was talking to like 9 and 10-year-old girls who were doing cheer. Like so disgusting. He wasn't there, but there was another guy. He was in this car and he pulled up to the park right as we were leaving, and then he just like did a circle and just like followed us, and we like drove down these streets and turned, and he was still behind us and he was still behind me. So then I pulled into like the lane to turn into our grocery store parking lot, and then right as I was about to turn, I got out of it, and so obviously he had to turn because he didn't think that fast. And then, yeah, we got away. So it was kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. I guess what I'm trying to say is be very careful of your surroundings, girls and boys. As a girl sometimes, it can be so scary because there are so many predators in the world, and I just want all of you guys to be safe. So read your local news, always go with a friend somewhere. And as Trippy Red once said, don't talk to strangers. I got these shorts from Urban Outfitters in California. It's like these boxer things, and they're literally so freaking cute. Let me take you with me because I'm kind of scared of the garage. I literally do not go into the garage. My parents are not home again. They're literally, I don't know where they are. But my mom was like, you need to come home, blah, 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 and study for your SAT. And then I come home and she's not even home. Like, what? Okay, so this is the plushie. Actually, wait, I need to sit down. Maddie has this thing from her boyfriend that I wanted for so long. And it's so super cute, like plushy, squishy animal things. Like a stuffed animal. So I've been wanting it for a while, and she ordered this one that was the same size as hers, which is like humongous. And like, I'm pretty sure, I don't even know. Anyways, it took over a month to come in, And it doesn't look small on camera. It's way smaller than what it said on the website, and she spent like $30-something on it. I mean, I love it because a gift is a gift. It's the thought that counts, and it's still cute. It's like perfect size. It's so cute. I told her to not feel bad because I love it like either way. Right now I need to study for my math test because when I was distance learning, I chose not to take my math test until I came home because I did not know how I was gonna print something out at my grandma's house. And on top of that, I just feel better like taking tests. I cannot say anything. This lisp is gonna kill me. I cannot take tests anywhere else besides my school, like in person, or if I'm distance learning, it has to be here. Yeah, also I like to do it at my desk where I feel like I'm in my zone. Oh my gosh, okay, I wanna share this before I close off the video. So my grandma, sweetest human being ever, love you Nana if you're watching this, she gave me, I don't know why she gave me this, I don't feel worthy of this, but she gave me her great grandmother's ring, wedding ring might I add, from Nova Scotia. What? Yo, look at how beautiful this is. Like, I'm sorry, what? And look at it on. I literally, oh my gosh, I could not believe it. She gave me this little jewelry box as well that it comes in. And it's made with this material, I don't know what it's called. It's not like, it's like a fancy material or something. She typed up, because my grandma is literally the cutest thing ever. She typed up a whole thing, like a whole paper about this ring. So basically, in a nutshell, very dear Caroline, this is an email by the way. Very dear Caroline, this ring is from your great-great-great-great-grandmother, Sophia Wilson Homer, from Barrington, Shelbourne, Nova Scotia. This ring is from around 1860 to 1886. Sophia traveled with her young toddler, Georgina, while pregnant on a sailing ship from Nova Scotia down around Cape Horn. Sophia recovered after giving birth and went on another sailing ship up to Fort Victoria to meet with her husband. Crazy stuff right there. I feel so honored to have this, and I'm keeping it on my desk so that I can see it every single day. Needless to say, it was a great time in California. The next video you're gonna see is from California. I vlogged my first day of school doing distance learning from California. It's actually it's a fun video. I think you guys are really gonna like it, but I wanted to upload this one first. So yeah, back home, went for a week to California. It was amazing. I already miss it. I've cried way too much, even though I'm probably going to go back soon. But yeah, if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao!